Essentially, AI is everywhere in healthcare right now, especially in the revenue cycle management.
Absolutely. And practices are being told that AI can automate billing, reduce denials, and even replace RCM teams.
But what no one's clearly saying is this: 100% AI driven RCM without human oversight does not work.
Right. But let's start with the positives of AI. So, AI is incredibly powerful when it comes to automation.
Yep. It can scrub claims, it can identify missing fields, post ERAs, flag eligibility issues, and speed up routine workflows.
And for high volume and repetitive tasks, AI improves efficiency and reduces manual errors.
But efficiency alone doesn't equal optimized revenue.
So, here is what AI starts to struggle. RCM isn't black and white.
Exactly. Payer rules are layered, inconsistent, and constantly changing.
And AI follows programmed logics. Humans interpret nuances like peer specific rules, policies, retroactive changes, or any plan exceptions.
And when claims don't fit a predefined rule, AI often lets revenue slip through the cracks. Denial management is the biggest example of why human oversight is critical.
Yes, an AI can label a denial reason, but it cannot decide how aggressive or strategic an appeal needs to be.
Some denials require a corrected claim, others need a detailed appeal, payer calls, or clinical clarification.
Yes, and only experienced RCM professionals know which battles are worth fighting and how to win them.
Exactly.
And there is also a serious compliance issue when it comes to AI, which practices need to think about.
AI doesn't fully understand intent. It may overcode, undercode, or miss documentation gaps.
So when automation scales mistakes, practices face higher audit risk, recoupments, and peer scrutinies.
Human review acts as a safeguard, not a bottleneck. We've seen practices with AI only RCM experience rising AR days.
Yes, because no one is actively following up, questioning underpayments, or escalating unresolved claims.
Exactly. Revenue doesn't just need processing, it needs protection.
The future of RCM is not AI versus humans.
It's AI powered, human led RCM.
Right. So AI handles speed and scale.
Humans handle strategy, judgment, clients, and payer communication. At StafGo Health, our expert RCM team ensures that every claim, denial, and appeal is guided by the expertise because your revenue is too important to leave entirely to automation.
All right, so I think that's all for today. Keep following StafGo Health for future ready and smarter RCM insights.